finally got hands on the Apple Watch Series 8. Hey, this is Aarti from Diva Beauty AE and welcome to my channel. So as you can see, and I've told you, I've got this Apple Watch Series 8 after a very long wait, and in today's video we'll be doing the unboxing and the first impression. So without further ado, let's get started. I got my Apple Watch from Sharaf DG and I've got the GPS version, not with cellular, so it comes to AD1599 and I got this in the color midnight, as you can see. So this is what the packaging very much looks like. Now without wasting any further time, let's unbox this lovely piece. Can't wait for it. As you can see, I'm struggling to unbox here with one hand. Anyways, going further, Apple Watch Series 8 is the latest iteration of the popular smartwatch from Apple. It is a highly advanced wearable device that offers a range of features and functions designed to improve daily life. I have unboxed, and this is what the packaging of the Apple Watch Series 8 looks like, and showing you the face of the watch itself. In terms of design, the Apple Watch Series 8 is sleek and stylish with a range of customizable watch faces and bands. The watch is available in a range of finishes and materials, including aluminium, stainless steel, and titanium, making it the perfect accessory for any outfit. The watch is designed with a focus on health and wellness, with advanced sensors and features that track your activity, exercise, and overall health. Moving on, we are now going to unbox the face of the Apple Watch Series 8, and here the struggle continues. Oh boy, oh god. Some of the key features of the Apple Watch Series 8 include a larger display with higher resolution and improved brightness, making it easier to read and view content on the go. Now I'm going ahead with unboxing the band, and I have chosen midnight blue for myself. I'm just opening up the band box here, and what you have with us is the catalog of the bands with the band size large and small. Let's have a closer look at the bands. This is the large band here, and here we have the small band. I think the small band will fit me well, so I'll go ahead with this one. Coming back to the face box, here we have the Apple Watch Series 8 charger. The Apple Watch Series 8 runs on the latest version of Apple Watch OS operating system, which provides a smooth and intuitive user experience. The watch is powered by a more powerful processor, which delivers improved performance and faster charging. This is the USB-C cable, and here with comes the Apple Watch magnetic fast charger with 1 meter wire. Going ahead with taking out the face of the Apple Watch itself, sliding it out here. The aluminium case is lightweight and made from 100% recycled aerospace grade alloy. Okay, taking out the strap. And I think the small one will fit me, so I'm taking out the small one. Taking the watch now, turning it upside down and doing it as per the instructions of sliding it over. The sport band has to be slided in as per the instructions and is made from a durable yet surprisingly soft high performance fluoroelastometer with an innovative pin and tuck closure. A struggle here too to put it correctly. So you see, I had a real struggle fixing this up inside the watch, and apparently I learned that it was damaged, so I had to go to the store and fix this up. So now you have a perfectly fit watch with the straps, and if you want to remove the straps, you need to press these buttons out here to remove them. So now let's go ahead and pair this Apple Watch with my iPhone. This Apple Watch Series 8 is in the size 41 mm and I've got it in the color Midnight as I told you earlier. It has an always on display and also 20% more screen area than Apple Watch SE. Like other watches, it has got 50-meter water resistant and is swim proof as well. In addition, it has got blood oxygen app, the ECG app and the temperature sensing, which is additional to the Apple Watch SE. Also, cycle tracking with ovulation estimates happened in this Apple Watch Series 8. So yes, a win-win for all women. Tracking does come in really handy. It has a fast charging facility and really stays on up to 18 hours. Let's switch on the device now. Here it goes, and start pairing with the iPhone. So you need to check this Apple Watch app inside the iPhone. Click it there, and let's wait for the watch to start as well. It says bring the iPhone closer to the watch, which I have done now. Let me start pairing. I'll set it up for myself. Now I need to hold the Apple Watch up to the camera, so taking it out. Yeah, so my watch is paired now. Great. Now let's set up the Apple Watch. On which wrist do you wear Apple Watch? I'll be mostly wearing it on my left, so it's on default as left. Here we hit continue. Connecting the Apple Watch, it may take a moment. Then we hit agree to all the terms and conditions. And signing into my account. So we come with this screen afterwards, and now you can choose to share or not share your analytics with the Apple. I'll go ahead with not sharing it. We need to create an Apple Watch passcode, so I'll set that, create a passcode and come back to you. You can choose your text size. This is the default one. So if you see, if I'm going towards the right, the size of the text increases. Coming back to default, I think it is fine with me up to now. And you can bold the text using this button over here. I'll choose it back to normal because so far it is good with me. I'm going with the default settings and hitting continue over here. It says Apple Watch shares settings with iPhone for location services, analytics, Find My Phone, Siri and much more. Some watch faces and apps may use your location when location service is on. Fitness and health apps will be downloaded on your iPhone. So hit continue. And I can personalize fitness and health over here. And I can choose if I'm on a wheelchair or not. Welcome to activity on Apple Watch. And all my move, all my calories and exercise will be counted on my watch henceforth, which was really waiting for. Now I'll be happy to go ahead and press next. This is my move goal as of now. You can choose if you want to intake more and increase your calories that you need to burn a day. As of now, I'll just set it 400, but you can increase it going ahead, and you can put change move goal. Pressing next. Daily recommended activity is 30 minutes a day. You can set it up more if you want. And the stand goal is 12 hours a day. So I'm okay with now. I'll set it up later if I want to increase or decrease. Workout route tracking. Also, wherever you're doing workout, it will track. That will be great. And so I'm going with enable route tracking. This is extra information regarding fitness, health, heart rate, which is really beneficial. So going with continue since everything is on default. are you taking these hard medications, calcium channel blockers, beta blockers? So I'm not taking any one of medications, and it is by default chosen that. So I'm hitting continue right now. This has a good safety feature. Apple Watch can help in case of emergency. If there is a crash, fall detection, emergency SOS, you can do all this with this new Apple Watch Series 8. That is amazing. Let's continue. And I can also set Apple Pay in this Apple Watch Series 8 and make my payments through the Apple Watch itself without taking out my device. So that's a great thing. I can set it up later in the Apple Watch app because I don't want to set it up right now. And it has got always on display. I can choose which one I want. So I'm going with the default one right now. Even for the apps, you can have a grid view or the list view. I think this is quite convenient rather than scrolling down, so I go ahead with the grid view. Great. Now my Apple Watch is syncing. Now we will add this, pressing OK. While the device is syncing, you can also press get to know your watch and know all the features of the watch. The device also includes enhanced connectivity options such as 5G support, allowing you to stay connected wherever you go. Whether you're looking to stay connected, track your fitness and health goals, or simply want a stylish accessory, the Apple Watch Series 8 has everything you need. Moving on with pairing. So this is the screen we come to after the Apple Watch has finished syncing. It will say more about my watch, the face gallery, and Apple Watch apps. Let's go ahead, and there is loads of information which you can scroll through and set it up. So here we finish with the first impressions of the Apple Watch and the unboxing. I finally wore it on my hand, and let me tell you, it looks so chic and so classy. I love the color midnight, and there are other colors as well, so you can choose from that. Overall, I love it, and I can't wait to get started with the application of blood pressure measuring, the oxygen, the temperature sensing, and so much more. Even the menstrual cycle, ovulation circle, so much in this one Apple Watch Series 8. Really can't wait to see how it progresses and helps me with my health. I'll definitely keep you updated on how this Apple Watch performs in further, and you can also check my Instagram, www.instagram.com/DivaBeautyAE, to know the progress and how it is going so far. So now, if you have liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also comment down your feedback, or if you have any questions, do let me know. What's your favorite color? Do let me know that too. And before signing off, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button to be aware of all my upcoming videos. Share my videos with friends and family. Really appreciate that. Till next time, goodbye and see ya.